Welcome back to, I don't know, Board Time Garage maybe? Except we're not working on a car. We are working on the Western Star. I did airbag, a couple of shocks, just did a brake job. So now I got to set the brakes, which I have the ability to do. Kind of dark here already. So yeah, once upon a time when Wes was a young whippersnapper full of piss and vinegar, those logging trucks in Northern Ontario. And I used to do this kind of shit all the time. Tires, brakes, seals, you know it. I did it. So, yeah. I gotta do another brake. This truck just went for MBI. So instead of spending $170 an hour for shop time, since I have the skills, I'm going to use them. Save myself some money. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know a lot. Anyway, just a little short video that you know I'm doing all right. You know, anniversary of my dad passing yesterday, and he came to visit when I was in Chilliwack the other night. Pulled in there about 2 o'clock in the morning, and he was there. I know he was there, so it's all good. You know, I miss him, but he had a good life, and he's not suffering anymore. So, yeah, Board Time Garage is going to branch out into other things like, you know, working on big trucks. That guy's honking his horn. He's kind of pissed off. You see, at this property I'm at, there's a fuel depot right next door, and my boss, he rents that lot between this shop and that shop, and Mo was parked in his rented lot one day, and some guy comes over and starts yelling at him, could he please get the fuck out of the way so he could get fuel? And Mo was like, oh, well, this is my property, so what the fuck's up with you? So anyway, that happened like 3 or 4 times, and Mo got pissed off. So now we got our shit parked right at the fucking property line. They want to use that, they can rent it, right? Yeah. So anyway, 4 minutes. I don't really have much else to say. Yeah, there'll be videos on this little truck here. Kind of, you know, bring it back a little bit to its former glory. So that's it. I got to set a brake, and then I might leave the brakes because I'm bringing it to the shop because I don't have the seal setting tool. You know, it probably cost me less than an hour's labor at the shop to buy that tool. So I might just buy that tool because I have this Western Star, and I'm pulling a set of trains. Plus I have a belly dump for paving, and all that shit has axle seals. So 5 minutes. I guess that's enough for today, people. Yeah, just keeping putting on a new shocks and a new airbag, and did a brake job. There's the old brakes, the old shocks. The drum doesn't look too bad, but it's fucked. We were into the rivets someplace here. One of them was on the rivets, I think, or maybe it was from a previous set of shoes that went too fucking far. I mean, really, they don't look terrible, but fucking guy said I gotta change them. Gotta change them for the safety. Because they're on the verge, basically, right? So, make the guy happy, sorta, because I didn't buy any parts off him, but he's getting a little time from me. So, anyways, that's all, I suppose. We look into the light. Yeah. Today was a good day. I hope you all had a good day. Bye now.